Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. AtlasVPN is a versatile VPN application that offers both free and paid versions. While the free version provides basic functionality, upgrading to a paid plan unlocks a broader range of servers and additional features. Using AtlasVPN correctly enhances your online privacy and security. The link to AtlasVPN is in the description. Here is a step-by-step tutorial for using AtlasVPN effectively. Launch the AtlasVPN app on your device. In the free version, your server option is limited to Singapore. To access a wider range of servers, consider upgrading to a paid plan. Use the toggle switch in the side panel to connect to your chosen server. Navigate to the Assistant option. Make sure that the Shield feature is turned on for enhanced security. Go to the Settings option. In the Security tab, enable the Kill switch. This feature ensures that your device doesn't accidentally expose your data if the VPN connection drops. Also, turn on protection against data leakage and threats. Switch to the Protocol tab. Ensure the protocol setting is on Auto. This allows AtlasVPN to automatically select the best protocol based on your network conditions. Visit the Connectivity section. In Quick Connect settings, ensure that the VPN is set to connect to the fastest available location. By following these steps, you can use AtlasVPN effectively, whether you are on the free plan or have opted for the paid version. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.